How to make split screen on Rocket League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make split screen on Rocket League. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your PlayStation and then make sure that you are logged into your Rocket League account. And if you want to go ahead and play with your friend on the same screen by splitting the screen, then the first thing you want to do is grab the main controller and press the menu button. And once you press the menu button, the second car will appear on your screen. Now you'll have to create a custom room or custom match. For that, you just want to head over to play. And then from here, head over to custom games and then click on custom games. Now from here, you're going to create a private match. Click on private match and then click on create private match. And from here, make sure that it's only joinable by party only. And once you have done that, you will be able to create a custom match. And then once the loading screen appears, as you can see now, this screen has been split into two and you can play with your friend on the same screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.